Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to delete your Gohighlevel account and cancel your subscription. Whether you're no longer using the platform or switching to another service, it's important to properly close your account to avoid any future charges. On your Gohighlevel dashboard, to cancel or delete your account, you just have to click on Settings. Once you're here, go to Billing, then click Cancel Subscription or Unsubscribe. You may not see Unsubscribe now if there is no active subscription. For example, if you only have a trial, you will only see options like Skip Trial and Pay. But if you already have a plan, you will see Unsubscribe or Cancel Subscription at the top. Once you click that, you just need to complete the verification step, and you're now unsubscribed from your Gohighlevel account. That's how we cancel and delete a Gohighlevel account in just a few simple steps. Make sure everything is backed up before you proceed.